So now that we have our landing page up and running, we have the dynamic location inserted, we want to make the keywords on the landing page dynamic as well. So whenever you advertise with the keyword that you put into Google Ads, for example, into the landing page, this increases your landing page relevance even more. And this decreases the costs of your clicks, as well as it increases the relevance. So therefore, you're able to get higher up in the food chain of showing your ads in comparison to your competition. So here we have in our address bar, we have KW equals, and we can put whatever we want. So locksmith. And in this case, the dynamic keyword is this one right here. So we can change that to plumbing hotline. There we go. So as long as this is added, this increases the relevance of our landing page for Google. Now, not only does it add it there, but we can actually also add it to the page title. So whenever you add the keyword into the page title as well, this increases the page relevancy as well. So to do that, we simply go into our WordPress page and we can type it here, default keyword. There we go. So we'll update that and we'll go back to our landing page. And up here, you can see your default keyword. Now let's go ahead and change that to keyword equals door unlock. And there you go, door unlock. Boom. You know, pretty simple. So how does that look like on the plugin dashboard? We'll go into dashboard here and we'll go into PPC basic menu and simply keyword insertion. So this is a very, very simple part of the plugin. All you need to do is use this code with the default, without the default, it doesn't matter. And if there's no default keyword, then it just leaves it empty, right? Keep that in mind. And next time you use question mark or the ampersand sign, keyword KW equals, and then you append your keyword, that basically inserts your keyword into wherever you put this particular shortcode. So we'll go back to our landing page here. And if we wanted to add this to here, we'll simply go, and here's our landing page development. We'll go display keyword, and then display location. Boom. And there you go. So our keyword that we're putting into the URL is from plumbing. And once again, you get Google to send the keyword into your landing page and you show it as many times as possible. And this increases the relevancy as long as obviously your landing page is relevant to the actual keyword itself. So I hope you enjoyed that video and I will see you in the next video to introduce you to another one of the modules in the plugin.